Yeah? That thing is bigger than she is.
Who?
The cicada that she's carrying.
What?
See that bug that she's carrying?
Which one?
She's carrying it with her legs. She's going to take it to her nest and she's going to feed it to her babies.
Why?
That's what they eat.
Can you blow it away so it'll live?
No, it's already dead.
What is?
The cicada.
Why?
She killed it
Why?
so that her babies could eat it.
Oh! I don't like that bug. It's mean.
No, it has to live just like every other bug. She's having trouble finding her nest, I think.
Why?
Because it's hard to see when you're that little in the grass.
Mom?
Uh-huh.
Now can I take a picture?
You want to take a picture? Well, she's almost home.
But can I take a picture?
Okay.
I need to take a picture because she's almost home.
Okay.
Where's this babies?
They're down that hole. You see that hole?
Wow!